Before tourism, we were a village of fishing and farming. Tourism in Hopkins, commercially, financially, it has given us a boost. They offer jobs, people work. We are a set of hard-working people. But I want to say that when it comes to our culture, there are some people, they know that they can just beat the drum for the tourists and they get a little money. But with tourism, our children are learning other things from the other cultures, and some of them tend to stick to the others and then leave our culture. We need to find a balance. Abeimahani is a sacred dance. These sacred dances are done in our ceremonies, the memorial masses, different ceremonies that the Garifuna will have. Fortunately for us, we are still doing it in Hopkins.
Ekameba waran wago ekameba go waran wago ekameba waran wago yefe tidofurisu anu ma frida diadina ayebe buiti wuri bate anadero buiti wuri bate anadero buiti wuri bate nadera ya buge bani rida alwago banago nuguya ayete.
We learned the songs just by being part of the group. And because I am interested, I would be part of the dances. I'm a retired teacher. I taught for 38 years. But being a retired teacher didn't stop me from delving into my culture and learning as much as I can. So in most cases, it's your own personal interest that makes you learn it. But now we realize that individually, some people are not really getting in just on their own. What we are losing out most of all is the language. Abeimahani is not being done much, and it's becoming a concern for us. More mature folks who are doing it are getting older and older. Younger than me, they are not picking it up. So we need documentation. We need things that will continue to live on when we are gone. My hope for the future of Garifuna in Hopkins is for us to become the garifuna that our ancestors used to be. Now we are beginning a cultural dance group, trying to see how we can insist and get the parents in so that we can encourage them to speak the language to the children. That if the parents do not speak it to them at home, they won't be practicing what they are learning at school. So for us here in Hopkins, the language is the only one that we have to be beating our heads on. The food is in, the clothing is in, the music is in. Get that language in, then we are going to get everything else behind it.
Aduro!